Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss about the bond parameters. Bond parameters. Bond parameters for first one, bond length. Bond length. Second one, bond angle. Third one, bond energy. Bond energy. Okay, right. First of all, I will discuss about the bond length. Bond length. What is bond length? What is bond length? The average distance between the two nucleus. The average distance between the two nucleus. Okay. First of all, I will discuss about the bond length. Okay. Today I will discuss about the bond length. What is bond length? What is bond length? Two nucleus. Average distance between two atoms. Average distance between two atoms. Atom A, atom B. Atoms A and atom B. This one, center of nucleus atom A, center of nucleus atom B. Center of nucleus atom A, another center of nucleus atom B. This one, this center of nucleus, average between two nucleus, this known as the bond length. This is known as the bond length. What is bond length? Center of nucleus, average distance between center of nucleus, center of atom A, center of nucleus, and atom B, center of nucleus. The two nucleuses, average distance between the two nucleuses is known as bond length. Two nucleuses is known as bond length. Okay, right. First of all, electronegativity is 0. Electronegativity is 0. Electronegativity for is difference is 0. Is difference for 0. Okay, using for bond length. Bond length 2R. This heading for electronegativity difference is 0. It is same atom. Example for chlorine Cl2. This one atom chlorine of center of nucleus. Another one atom chlorine. Okay, this is the same chlorine atom. Electronegativity difference is 0. Okay, then same chlorine atom, it is a bond length. It is a chlorine, one of the atom radius. Chlorine radius 99.8. Okay, chlorine radius 99 Armstrong. And another one chlorine atom is 99 Armstrong. Total values namakku 198 Armstrong. 198 Armstrong. Bond length is 198 Armstrong. Okay, right, clear. Then next values. Clear? Same atom present in the molecule, bond length calculate for 2R. Ra plus Rb. But different electronegativity difference. Second one, different electronegativity for different atom. Okay, Stevenson formula for bond length calculation formula. Stevenson for bond length formula. Bond length is equal to Ra plus Rb minus 0.09 Xa minus Xb. This one is Ra. Different atom for radius A, radius B. The center of nucleus, average distance between the two nucleus. This is known as the bond length. RFR, radius of atom A, RB for radius of atom B, XA for electronegativity of atom A, XP for electronegativity of atom B. Okay, clear? This value substitute பண்றோம்னா நமக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா bond length values நமக்கு ஈஸியா கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். Okay, right. Clear? Right, okay. Right. Next one, factor affecting bond length. It is a very important chapter for bond length. Many more questions asked to last NEET exams. Okay, many more questions asked to last previous year NEET exams. Okay, right. A factor affecting bond length. Factor affecting bond length. Okay, right. First of all, first point is bond length inversely proportional to electronegativity. Bond length inversely proportional to electronegativity. Okay, right. First of all, group electronegativity left to right increases. So periods left to right, electronegativity increases. Then group down, top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. Group top to bottom electronegativity decreases. It is a understand. Okay, right. Electronegativity left to right poga increases. Then down the group electronegativity decreases. Okay, then first of all now example for HF, HCl, HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Okay, this one is hydrogen for same atom, but this family halogen family. This one is halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is the group of halogens. This down the group electronegativity will be decreases. Down the group electronegativity will be decreases. This one electronegativity which is more electronegativity atom but less bond length. More electronegativity atom but less bond length. But which one is low electronegativity atom? It is more bond length. More bond length. This one is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine is most electronegativity atom. Most electronegativity atom. But iodine is less electronegativity atom. Less electronegativity atom. This formula using for which one is most bond length? Which is the less electronegativity is most bond length. More electronegativity is less bond length. This order is electronegativity increases, bond length is decreases. That's all. Okay, right. The next one, another formula, another factor affecting for bond length inversely proportional to number of bonds. Number of bonds or bond order. Number of bonds or bond order. Okay, number of bonds or bond order. In the cases bond length, for example நமக்கு number of bond, single bond, double bond, triple bond, etc. Okay, bond order 1, 2, 3, 2.5, etc. Okay, number of bonds increases, bond length decreases. Okay, right. For example, carbon single bond, carbon double bond, carbon triple bond, carbon. These cases of single bond, double bond, triple bond. Okay, single bond, number of bonds increases. Number of bonds, 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bonds. Okay, Number of bond increases, bond length also decreases. Bond length also decreases. Okay, this bond length value, single bond is number of bond decreases, bond length increases. Single bond, triple bond, bond length is high, 1.54 Armstrong, 1.54 Armstrong. Then 34 Armstrong. Number of bond increases, bond length is also decreases. Bond length also decreases. The next one is CO. Another one example, C single bond O, C double bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O. Okay, right. This one single bond value, CO single bond values for the 1.43 Armstrong, 1.20 Armstrong, 1.13 Armstrong. Okay, clear that? Bond order increases, number of bond increases, bond length also decreases. Bond length also decreases. Okay, right. Next topic for the hybridization. Next topic for the hybridization. Okay, right. Next of all, next factor affecting cases for bond length inversely proportional to S character. Okay, right. This one percentage of S character, SP for percentage of S character for 50%. Okay, SP2 percentage of S character 33.3%. SP3 25% of S character. Okay, 25% of S character. This one is very important. Percentage of S character. Percentage of S character increases. S character increases, bond length decreases. Percentage of S character increases, bond length is decreases. For example of methane, CH3. This one is single bond. Single bond is known as SP3. This one is SP3 hybridization. SP3 hybridization. This one CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. This carbon is double bond is attached. This carbon is double bond is attached for SP2 hybridization. Okay, clear? SP2 hybridization. This carbon is double bond is attached for SP2 hybridization. Then SP2. First one, this one is single bond is for SP3 hybridization. This carbon atom is single bond for SP3 hybridization. Okay. Then next topic for the, this carbon is attached with double bond. Double bond for SP2 hybridization. This carbon is attached to double bond for SP2 hybridization. Okay. Then another one example for CH triple bond C, C triple bond C, H. Okay. This two carbon, okay. This carbon is attached with triple bond. Attached with triple bond is known as sp3 hybridization. Okay, clear? Right. sp3 hybridization. This carbon is attached with triple bond for sp3 hybridization. Sorry. Very sorry. See, this carbon is attached with for triple bond is known as sp hybridization. Single bond is known as sp3. Triple bond is known as sp hybridization. Okay, right. Upon this carbon is attached with triple bond for sp hybridization. This clear? Bond length inversely proportional to percentage of s character. Number of s character increases, bond length decreases. Number of s character increases, bond length decreases. Okay, clear that. sp3 hybridization bond length 1.54 Armstrong. 1.54 Armstrong. Then sp2 bond length 1.42 Armstrong. 1.42 Armstrong. But sp hybridization is 1.20 Armstrong. 1.20 Armstrong. Clear that example? Right, okay. Third values. Okay, right. These three topics very important for the bond length. These three topics very important for the bond length. Very easy. It is used for many tricks for the last year asked NEET exams. Okay, right. First one, bond length directly inversely proportional to electronegativity. Which one is most electronegativity? Bond length will also decreases. Okay, most electronegativity molecule, this bond length is decreases. Then number of bonds increases, bond length decreases. Number of bonds increases or bond order increases, bond length decreases. Okay, right. Then next one is percentage of S character hybridization. Percentage of S character hybridization, bond length increases. Now S character decreases. S character decreases, bond length increases. sp3 is 25%, bond length 1.54 Armstrong. Okay, sp2 it is sp2 is 33.3%, bond length decreases 1.42 Armstrong. 1.42 Armstrong. Then triple bond sp percentage of S character 50%, bond length 1.2 Armstrong. 1.2 Armstrong. Clear? Right, okay. இப்போ நம்ம இந்த bond length ஈஸியாக புரிஞ்சிருக்கோம். வேறு ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. நமக்கு மெயினாக பார்க்கக்கூடிய கண்டென்ட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நமக்கு என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க, bond length 3 character மைண்டில் இருந்தால் போதும். Bond length inversely proportional to electronegativity, bond length inversely proportional to hybridization, percentage of S character, bond length inversely proportional to bond order. Number of bonds or bond order. Clear? Right. Okay.